I feel very blessed to be a student of M&T Girls High School, which is assisted by Punjab Education Foundation. This foundation always eager to provide quality education with so many curricular activities, such as spoken English session, which is organized by PEF. This session removed our hesitation. Not only removed our hesitation, also encouraged us to speak this foreign language frequently. Mohtarma Mariam Nawaz Sahiba, Minister of Education and MD PEF, I am very thankful to you to give us this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Also fine. I'm doing great. What about you?
I'm also. Are you new in this school?
Yes, I am new admission in this school. I recently shifted from Karachi to Lahore and I'm here to further studies.
That's a great. Your choice is very good about the school. The school is very good. It's free of cost. It is, you know that the fees and very high, but the school is very good. So much facilities in the school, and also we got so much facilities free of cost. You know the spoken English class session. Our teacher is very good. It is free of cost. You know, spoken English is very important for our future.
Yes. I hear a lot about it and I am come here for further studies. And I think their students are also very disciplined and well maintained.
Teachers are also so supportive, and our principal is very, very good. And you know about that. Our school, our sportive teachers. You need any type of help from me, I will help you about studies.
Yeah, I know the teachers are very generous and very polite.
Be friendly. I don't know about your name.
Yeah, I will introduce myself to you. My name is Zoya Batul and I'm here to study in class 9A. And what about
very
you?
Good name. My name is Zoha Murtaza and I'm here with you in class 10B.
Yeah, very nice to meet you. And you tell me a lot about the school and that I don't know. That's
Yes.
thankful to you.
Nice to meet you too.